Voxel Voice Changer Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Voxel Voice Changer Review, where I'll share my experience with this voice modulation software. If you're interested in exploring it, links to the product are available in the description below. Voxal Voice Changer is a highly capable tool for altering and customizing your voice in real time or for pre-recorded audio. It's designed for gamers, streamers, content creators, and even professionals in the audio industry who want to experiment with voice effects for creative or practical purposes. Whether you're looking to disguise your voice, create unique character voices, or add flair to your live streams, Voxal delivers an impressive range of options. One of its standout features is the extensive library of voice effects. It includes presets like alien, robot, child, and monster, along with more nuanced tones such as echo and distortion. You can also customize effects to fine-tune the output, creating an entirely unique voice profile. The flexibility to stack and combine effects is particularly appealing for those working on storytelling or character-driven projects. Ease of use is another highlight. Voxal's intuitive interface allows users to quickly apply effects to live audio via a microphone or modify pre-recorded files. Its seamless integration with popular communication platforms like Discord, Zoom, and Skype makes it ideal for gaming and virtual meetings. The low system requirements ensure it runs smoothly without slowing down your computer, even during real-time voice modification. Voxal also supports a wide range of audio formats, making it compatible with most editing tools. Whether you're a podcaster enhancing your audio content or a gamer looking to add some fun to your streams, Voxal's versatility is hard to beat. In terms of pricing, Voxal Voice Changer offers a free version with basic features, while the paid version unlocks its full potential, including advanced effects and commercial use licensing. This flexibility ensures that users with varying needs and budgets can benefit from the software. Overall, Voxal Voice Changer is an excellent tool for anyone seeking a reliable and creative way to modify their voice. Check out the links in the description for more details, and thanks for watching.